Brace yourself for a future where humanity faces its greatest challenges and its boldest opportunities. Earth, our only home for millennia, is reaching a tipping point. What if I told you the survival of our species might depend on finding a new world? This isn't a distant dream. It's a mission we must embark on now, and Mars is our best shot. For centuries, Earth has provided everything we needed: oxygen to breathe, water to drink, and the resources to build our civilizations. But today, we're facing unprecedented challenges that threaten our very existence. From rising sea levels to record-breaking heat waves, climate change is altering our planet in ways we're struggling to control. Meanwhile, our resources, fossil fuels, fresh water, and arable land, are dwindling faster than we can replace them. With over 8 billion people on Earth and counting, the pressure on our ecosystems is immense. Cities are expanding, forests are shrinking, and the planet is struggling to keep up with our demands. But it's not just environmental concerns. Humanity faces risks we can't predict: asteroid impacts, nuclear war, or pandemics that could wipe out civilization as we know it. If we put all our eggs in one basket, Earth, we risk losing everything. So what's the solution? Space. For decades, scientists and visionaries have argued that humanity's survival depends on becoming a multiplanetary species. And among all the planets in our solar system, Mars stands out as the most viable option. Mars has water locked in its polar ice caps, a day similar in length to Earth's, and enough resources to support life if we're willing to put in the work. It's not about abandoning Earth. It's about ensuring the survival of humanity by creating a backup plan. The challenges we face on Earth are daunting, but they're also calls to action. Humanity is standing at a crossroads, and the path we choose could shape our future forever. From the ashes of our struggles, a new hope emerges. A daring mission to reach beyond the boundaries of our world and securing our place among the stars. And Mars, the red planet, is where our story begins. Every journey begins with a single step, and for humanity, that step is building the tools to leave Earth behind. Before we could touch down on the red sands of Mars, we must first solve the extraordinary challenges of interplanetary travel. From engineering the most powerful rockets ever built to ensuring survival on a voyage through the void, every detail matters. This is a story of how we prepared to make Mars a reality. At the heart of the mission lies SpaceX's Starship, a spacecraft unlike anything we've seen before. Designed to carry up to 100 passengers and cargo, Starship is fully reusable, making it the key to affordable interplanetary travel. But building such a machine is no small feat. Before humans can set foot on Mars, the red planet must first be prepared to support life. This begins with a series of cargo missions, carrying vital equipment and supplies, habitats, solar panels, and everything needed to survive in an unforgiving environment. Once the groundwork is laid, the first brave explorers will embark on humanity's most daring adventure, a journey of 6 months through space to touch down on an alien world. But preparing these pioneers for such a mission requires overcoming challenges never before faced. The journey to Mars is more than a test of technology. It's a test of human endurance, ingenuity, and willpower. With every rocket launched and every breakthrough achieved, we come one step closer to reaching our next home among the stars. But as monumental as this journey is, it's only the beginning. What awaits us on Mars will test humanity in ways we've never imagined. Surviving on Mars is a monumental achievement, but survival alone is not enough. For humanity to thrive on this alien world, we must create a society that can sustain itself, a place where people can not only live, but flourish. This is the challenge that will define the next phase of Mars colonization. One of the first hurdles to thriving on Mars is growing food. With no fertile soil and harsh conditions, traditional farming is impossible. But scientists are developing innovative solutions, like hydroponics and aeroponics, to grow crops in controlled environments. Using recycled water and nutrient solutions, plants can thrive in Martian greenhouses. Recent experiments on Earth have shown that crops like potatoes, lettuce, and wheat can grow in simulated Martian soil when enriched with nutrients. These achievements could one day make Mars self-sufficient in food production. On Mars, energy is life. Without a steady supply of power, nothing functions. Solar energy, abundant on Mars, will be the primary source of power for early settlers. Vast solar farms will capture the sun's energy, while advanced battery systems store it for use during the long Martian nights. As the colony grows, other energy sources like nuclear reactors may be introduced to provide consistent, high-output power. These reactors could ensure that future Martian cities have the energy they need to expand and thrive. With food and energy secured, the next step is expanding the colony. This means building more habitats, schools, research centers, and even places for recreation. The vision is to create a thriving community complete with all the comforts of home. Technology like 3D printing will play a key role in constructing new buildings quickly and efficiently. Over time, Martian cities could resemble futuristic versions of Earth's metropolises, adapting to the unique challenges of life on Mars. As the colony grows, Mars transforms from a barren wasteland to a beacon of human ingenuity. Each step forward brings humanity closer to building a second home, one that not only ensures our survival, but offers a new frontier for exploration, innovation, and life itself. The Red Planet is no longer a distant dream, it is a new beginning. Mars is more than a destination. It's a statement, a declaration that humanity refuses to be bound by limits, that we are driven by a relentless curiosity to explore and create. The Red Planet is not just our new home, it's a reminder for our capacity for greatness. The journey to Mars began with a vision fueled by determination, innovation, and the belief that we could do the impossible. Along the way, we've overcome challenges that once seemed insurmountable. From engineering interplanetary travel to surviving on a planet that was never meant to sustain us. This achievement is not just about survival, it's about evolution. But this mission isn't just about Mars. It's about setting a precedent. If we could conquer the challenges of living on another planet, we could solve the problems we face on Earth. The technologies we develop for Mars, renewable energy, water recycling, sustainable agriculture, will help us build a better future for all of humanity. Mars is just the beginning. From here, we look to the stars, to worlds beyond our solar system, and to the infinite possibilities of what we can achieve. This is the story of humanity, a story of resilience, curiosity, and the unwavering drive to explore. The Red Planet is no longer just a dream. It's a testament of what we can accomplish together.